Now hear me out. If you're a fashion designer, you're a tailor, and you make trousers, also known as pants, I want you to listen to this particular video, because if you don't listen, you will cry.
Now, this is the question I'm going to be answering today that one of my students asked me. The student said, "Sir, where is the hip length? In case I did not measure this hip length of a trouser on my customer, where exactly can I put it on the cloth while drafting or on my pattern paper?" Now, if you want to know this, I want you to watch this.
So guys, I want you guys to see this particular one I've drafted now. Do you understand? Now, some of you that are asking me, if I want to put a hip circumference, where is the hip length on this particular trouser? Now, in a situation whereby you did not have your hip length measurement, do you understand? Remember that from here to here is actually your crotch length. Do you understand? From here to here is your crotch length. So it's on this crotch length that you have your tie. Whatever your tie is divided by 2, that is what you have from here to here. Do you understand? That is what we use in making trousers or pants. Now, if you want to get your hip length and you don't have it already, all you have to know is that your hip length is usually 2 inches to 3 inches above the crotch length. Do you understand? In most cases, we can say it is 2 inches above the crotch length. So that means if you step up like this and mark 2 inches, are you saying it? You take your rule and they connect it. This is your hip length. Now, what do I mean by this? You can either step up like this 2 inches, or all you have to do is your crotch length minus 2 inches. Whatever it gives you is the distance from here all the way to this side, from here all the way to this side. Now, some of us will be asking, what are we going to use it and do now? Now, it is on this particular spot. When you divide your hip, let's say your hip is 40 inches, or let's say it is 42. 42 divided by 4 is how many? 42 divided by 4 is 10.5. So all you have to do is to mark from here. Are you seeing it? All the way to here. Are you seeing we have 10.5? Now, make sure you mark it out here. Do the same thing here. Make sure you mark it out here. Then make sure you draw a straight line. Now, when you draw a straight line, I want you to see something. You see that we have this section of our trouser, and we have this section. So the distance from here to here is the hip circumference divided by 4. While the distance from here to here is the crotch section. Do you understand? Here is for your crotch, while here is for the hip. So always know that if you can divide your hip by 4 and here is not giving you that result, know that your trouser is going to be very, very tight. It's not going to be your size. Do you understand? So make sure that when you divide your hip by 4, the distance from here to here is as the same as the result of your hip divided by 4. Hope you guys understand. Okay, why from here to here is for your crotch. Now, in order to make sure that your crotch is correct, you have to make sure that the measurement of your thigh circumference is correct. Hope you guys understand. If you want to learn how to draft this trouser from beginning to the end perfectly, hope you guys know that I'm still selling my book, which is the Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. This book is not just going to teach you how to cut this trouser. It's going to teach you, if you are doing ready to wear, how to cut your shirt. In fact, even when you get all these videos and all the courses in it, we also put you in a Telegram group where you